In this video, we're going to be looking at exclamations. Exclamations are one of the 4 functions of sentences. An exclamation starts with what or how, and it always ends with an exclamation mark. For example, what big teeth you have, or how tidy this classroom is. Exclamations usually express strong feelings or an opinion. Remember that questions also start with how and what. Questions end with a question mark and are usually used to find out information. Look at the difference between these 2 sentences. How are you? This is a question because the sentence requires an answer. How cute you are? This is an exclamation. It is expressing an opinion and it cannot be answered. It's important to note that exclamation marks can be used in a variety of sentences, so you may use these often in your writing or see them when you are reading. Exclamation marks can be added to different sentences to show expression or emotion, such as slow down or that's exciting. However, these sentences are not exclamations as they do not begin with how or what. Now let's take a look at the first question. You need to tick the sentence which is an exclamation. What type of shark is this? The shark has sharp teeth. What a large shark it is. How many teeth does a shark have? The punctuation has been left out of all these sentences, so we have to use other clues to work out the answer. We know that exclamations start with how or what, so the answer cannot be option 2. Sentences number 1 and 4 can be answered, so they must be questions. The correct answer is option 3, because it is an exclamation sentence. In this next question, you are being asked to tick the sentence which does not need an exclamation mark. How loud the rain is. What awful rain there is today. How long will this rain last? What wet weather we are having. Pause the video and press play when you have an answer. How did you find that question? The clue to answering this question is to work out which sentences are expressing a feeling or an opinion, as they will need exclamation marks. Look at option number 3. This is the question as it needs to be answered. How long will this rain last? This needs a question mark. Therefore, this is the sentence that must not end with an exclamation mark. Very well done if you got that one correct. Now it's time for our final question. You are going to write an exclamation based on the following sentence and make sure you remember to punctuate it correctly. You may wish to write your answer down on a whiteboard or a piece of paper, or you may just wish to say your answer out loud. Pause your video now and hit play when you are ready. Do you have an answer? Great! In order to create an exclamation based on this sentence, we need to start it with how or what. Example answers could be, what smelly cheese it is, or how smelly this cheese is. Remember, you have to add an exclamation mark onto the end of the sentence to punctuate an exclamation correctly. Very well done if you got any of those questions right. I hope that this video has helped to improve your understanding of exclamations. If you're looking for any more videos just like this one, make sure you head to the Twinkl website to check them out. See you next time.